mine, like somebody. We'll see if I stick to my notes. So Shelly Kirby, I met Shelly in high school. Apparently the day that our long-lasting and close friendship began, I went up to Shelly and decided to give her a big hug, which I have no recollection of whatsoever, but that's how she told me it started.
You were the first one to hug me at WABA.
So I was the first one to hug her at WABA. And I'm really glad I did, though, because since then I can't imagine my life without her. She's amazing. I mean, anybody who knows Shelly or even just met her knows that she's really hard not to like. You know, she's brilliant. Everything she says is sincere, you're fun, she's adventurous, down to earth, I don't know, just an all-around good girl. But there is one trait of Shelly's that I think I admire more than any of my other friends, is her resilience. This girl can bounce back from anything. It doesn't matter what. My most vivid memory of Shelly's resilience, actually, was during one of our acrobatics performances in high school. We were on an acrobatics team together, and we were doing a move called a 6+1, which is where basically one man holds up 6 people, and Shelly was at the very top of this big pyramid. Jesse and I were in it as well. There was a bit of a issue with our base, and he took a wrong step and lost his balance. And we had so many people there spotting, ready to catch everybody. The way people fell, they pretty much created a hole around Shelly so no one could get to her, and she fell straight down through everyone and basically landed full on her knee.
That really
Now,
hurt.
anyone else probably would have sat there, you know, wouldn't have gotten back up. No, Shelly jumped back up, finished the pose, we had our little finish the pose thing, ran off and not only finished that move, but finished the entire show. It wasn't really till afterwards until I think people realized how bad the situation was. Her knee was pretty swollen. It's kind of gross. But you know, that's just Shelly. She is incredible like that. And I know that she will bring that same resilient, never quitting attitude to her marriage to you, Phil. You are a very lucky man. You have found yourself a wife that will love you and adore you. She will treasure you and be with you until the end. A toast. Shelly and Phil.
You're here.